getting set up here. Actually, we have a before we get started. We're already ready to go. We're getting good at this. I think everything's set up and happy in a happy spot. Let me double check here. All right, clicking that over here. Actually, we'll probably zoom this over here just a smidge. Does that work? Yeah, that works. Okay. We'll bring that a smidge over that way, and then we can pull this over. All right, the screen's all laid out nice and beautiful. Excellent. Good to see everyone. Good morning. Happy Monday. We're gonna get started with one of our viewers had forked the game that we made and made it better. They added some graphics and other nifty things. We're gonna check it out today. Post it here on our Discord chat here really quick. Let's see here. I'll put it over here. Stream. Let's see here. I'll put it on our what do you call it? One of these channels. We'll put it over here on the free resources channel. Perfect. One of the viewers forked our game and made they added graphics and sound. All right, we're going to review that. We're going to review that now. Actually, we're going to check this out. All right, so all I have to do is clone here, pull up a terminal window, start a new window. We'll go to desktop. We'll say git clone. We'll paste that in there. Then we're going to check it out. We're going to zoom in on this. All right, CD AI game with better art. AI game with better art. Hey, Quantified Quantum, welcome in. Hope you had a good weekend. I had a fun weekend. We working on AI stuff, of course. And also, Silk Song with my friend Sam, who came over and played Silk Song. We played Silk Song together, which is a really good, fun 2D platformer that's very hard. It's very hard. It's very easy to not win at the game. It's very easy to not win at the game. All right, let's see here. So this is the game that's so we've been making a game for the past week. Hey, Bubba Bear, welcome in. Good to see you. Happy Monday. Hope you had a good weekend there. Oh, Silk Song, yeah, isn't it good? It was a Silk Song. That's what I did this weekend. Played Silk Song with Sam. We had a lot of fun with it. It was great. Also did some work, right, with some AI and other things like that. You need to play prequel first 2, right? The prequel, yeah. So it was what is that? What's that called? I know I should play the first one first. I avoided it. I wasn't even planning on playing Silk Song either. And then Sam's like, we have to play Silk Song. He's like, we have to play Silk Song. How's it going, Love Hams? Love Ham Shot. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Monday. Hollow Knight. There you go. Thank you. Hollow Knight. Yeah, that's it. So Hollow Knight is the original one, and then Silk Song is the follow-up to it. Yeah, great weekend. How was yours? Good weekend with Silk Song, you guys. What's your Cash App? What are you talking about Cash App? What do you think? The Record Hoi. We're coming in. Good to see you. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for your subscription. We're gonna do some. We're gonna look at some game here. No Cash App. We're not. I don't even have. Do I have Cash? I don't even think. I don't. I might have it. I don't use it. All right, let's check this out. So README. We're gonna open this up. All right, pip install requirements. Let's grab that really quick. I'll do that. Function F2. Or not that one. We gotta do this one. There we go. Much better. All right, let's close that out. Okay. I can donate there. Oh, hey, no need to donate. But thank you for the thought. The thought is what counts. It's okay. It's absolutely okay. The game that we're going to look at is the game that we've been building for the last week. It's an AI game where we use Pytorch to have the AI learn to track the player. It does a really good job. It's pretty close to reinforcement learning, if not exactly reinforcement learning. I assume it's almost pretty much exactly reinforcement learning. There's probably some things that I'd like to look more into to see if there's other ways to go about it. Yeah, I'm going to make a recurrent neural network to play paper.io.site. Ooh. Wait, what is paper.io site? What is that? I'm going to check that out real quick, Quantified Quantum. I'm curious. Paper.io.site. Is this a thing? Is it a thing? Want to play a game? Steven. All right, let's see if we can play it. So you're going to have it. Oh, wait. No, I don't know what's going on there. That was some advertisement. Close that really quick. I don't know. You didn't see nothing. Nothing happened. Hey, did you continue doing some in the weekend? A little bit. You're right. A little bit, Bubble Bear. We did a little bit on the weekend. A smidgen. just a smidgen. So let's see here. Someone else though, they upgraded the game. I'm actually kind of curious to see what they did to it. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. So Vi readme. All right. So we already opened that. Let me paste this in really quick, so that we get everything set up here. Wait, Vi requirements. I should have read the. Okay, this is not a problem. So that's already there. That's the same stuff. All right. There's nothing weird going on here. Use an ad blocker. I know, right? I could use an ad blocker. I don't do that. That's something I used to use an ad blocker. I used to. And then I updated my router some time ago to block some DNS entries, but you can't block them all that way. You can't block them all. So let's see your Vi game. All right, let's see what happened. All right. So, interesting. So you've got desktop and mobile view. Okay. All right. Player speed. Interesting. All right. This actually looks pretty good. I'm actually kind of curious about it. I'm suspicious. I'm suspicious. Okay, animations. Oh, all right. So there's actually quite a bit of difference in here. There's quite a bit of difference. Check out Pi-hole. Pi-hole, is that a Raspberry Pi thing? Oh, right. Okay, Pi-hole for your router. It's an operating system, or it's probably Linux, right? But it includes a whole bunch of extra things that run on your router. Is that what that is? I remember that. I remember Pi-hole. I installed it many years ago on a Linksys router, I believe. It was an ad blocker. Oh, is it? Okay, let's see here. Pi-hole. Let's check this out. Network-wide ad blocking. Oh, yeah, there you go. I remember this. Okay, Pi-hole is your DNS server. There you go. That's it right there. There you go. Because then it will block all the advertisements' known domains directly on your device without having to install any extra software or ad blocking software in your browser. It means it works network-wide across all your devices, including mobile. So if you use Wi-Fi at home, then this is if you have it running on your router directly, then you're good to go. Then you're good to go. What is the best ad blocker? Because YouTube did some stuff. Yeah, they did. YouTube made it very bad for people blocking ads. You're right, they did. Yeah, you did. They know what they're doing. They figured all the things out. So that's the main reason why I don't do ad blockers anymore. Is the businesses that I work with on a regular basis, they have ads. That's how that works, and I want to be in good standing with them. So there you go. There you go. That's what I want to be in good standing. Oh, and Cloudflare provides free DNS. I use Cloudflare DNS 1.1.1.1, right? It's 1.1. I was in San Francisco when they did this. They spray painted 1.1.1 on the sidewalks in San Francisco when they came out with their DNS. I'm like, it's DNS. Oh, is it it's a CDN that's providing domain name service lookup, and it probably is faster, and it is a lot faster. You can do it. It's like 1.1.1.1. There you go. The DNS, they spray painted on the sidewalks and went near my office. It was crazy. During the stream, the first thing I hear, it's, okay, let's check out his yeah, I know, the Pytorch. Yeah, I know, right? What is going on with this? Yeah, exactly. It's like, what are you guys talking about, Pi-hole? What does that mean? What is this? What does that even mean? All right, I want to check out this game. All right, so so we had someone join our stream. They rewrote it. I mean, this is a lot of code. This is a lot, like a lot. Handle input. Oh, this is a cleaner game loop. Okay. This is a clean game loop. I like it. Game.draw, game.update. So this is this is also the handle inputs. This is a very clean game loop. My game loop, right? Let's take a peek at, well, actually here, let's do side-by-side comparison. Let's look at my game loop. / was it Pytorch? Was it desktop / desktop, right? Hold on. All right, where are we at here? It will be called, where is it? Where did we put it? I know we put it in, is it Pytorch? Here we go. Perfect. Pytorch game. Here we go. Oh, no, I changed it. Well, this should probably be fine. See, look here. This is my game loop. And then if you look at the other side of the screen, let's see here, like over here, this is their game loop. Much shorter and cleaner. I think it's pretty good. That's a good game loop, you guys. What about using Elm architecture? What is that? I don't even know what that is. Oh, and check out that Paper.io. Oh, wait. What Elm Arcade? Wait, did something weird happen with the text all of a sudden? Run the game? All right, we'll run it. We'll run the game. We'll run it. We'll see what it looks like. All right, so let's see here. Let's close it out. All right, let's see what it looks like. All right, here, Python game. Are we it? All right, here we go. Here we go. There's like, okay. They fully redid it. They redid everything. Oh, you have to use you can't, okay. Is it actually working? It is. It's working. Okay. These levels are really easy. You just hold still. All you have to do is hold still and the AI comes after you. All right, you gotta get a little bit out of the way. Oh, wow. Okay, this is a better game. It is. This is a better game. All right. A much better game. This is way better. I can't. Hey, how's it going, Maynard? Good to see you. Welcome on in. Please teach me SailPoint. All right, SailPoint, right, Azzy? You were talking about SailPoint is a scripting language, I believe for, what is it? Trading, right? Is it trading? I think it's for trading. This is great, and then you get close to the AI, it gets close and scary. Okay. This is pretty neat. Okay, this is a lot more engaging than the one I built. All right, if you want to see the one, here, let's see what happens when you... Ooh, humanity lost. All right, yep, the AI came for you. Yeah, definitely AI augmented. Just a smidge AI augmented. Oh, so they paused the AI learning after a certain time, which then continues and raises the timer. Wait, was there a timer? Was there a timer in there? Wait, is it for identity governance too? It is for identity governance. Gotcha. I want to look that up again. Hey, how's it going, Matthew? Welcome in. Hey, Mohammed. Welcome on in. Good to have you here. Happy Monday, you guys. Happy Monday. We're planning to do some threading today. I want to add some threading. We want to add in some networking as well, just a smidgen of networking to see how many players are currently playing right now. And we only have 30 minutes to add it in. Just 30 minutes. And then I got to go for a meeting, you guys. Then I got to go for a meeting. Yo, why your channel is not growing? Oh, hey, Tan-esh. I don't know. We're getting started here. It can't grow that fast at the very beginning. But you got to it's a long game, right? It's a long game. You only have a little bit of time. Thank you, everyone, for joining. Happy to have you here today. So I was actually surprised at how good that game was. All right, let's add threading. So I wanted to add in threading today. So that's the plan. So I'm going to go back to, all right, you guys want to see what my game version looks like? All right, here you go. It's a lot different, right? Here you go. See, all right. This is it right here. This is it right here. That's it, done, right? Isn't it like a completely different experience now? It's like embarrassing how much better. Reply you? Reply you? Oh wait, reply me. What do you mean reply me? What do you mean reply me? All right, talk to you later. Got to do some AI magic. Nice. All right, you're doing it right, Quantum White Quantum. I think the level system is based on survived ticks and gets multiplied when some factor together to make the game longer each level. Oh, got it. Okay, got it. Yeah. Yeah, see, this is my version of the game. Yeah, there's no graphics at all. There's just a little bit of sound effects, which is my voice. Any sound that you hear in this is my voice. This is my voice. It's also, I think, a lot more fun because you can use your mouse cursor. I think it's more fun with the mouse cursor than the keyboard. So that's the difference. I think that's the main difference. Other than the beautiful graphics and the much better game sound. The much better game sound. What's the timing of yours every day live? Oh, easy. So the timing is sometime between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. on the weekdays. It depends. Every day is different because I've got meetings and such and other business things to take care of. All right, let's do this. Vi game. All right, here we go. Let me go back over here. Yeah, get status PWD. Just make sure we're in the right spot. All right, good. Let's say PWD. Yep. Okay, I'm just double checking. All right, excellent. Looking good. Game. Here we go. All right, so it's 1 a.m. here. Oh, is it? That's pretty late. You're up really late. What are you doing up so late? You got to go to sleep. You have a job. You're right. I do have a job. Tannish Q. I have a job. You got it. I have a job. All right. So I wanted to add in threading. So how do we do that? We have to import threading. Import threading with a capital T, right? Threading, ing, like that. Let's double check. Game run. Game run. Here we go. Where is it? Game run. Perfect. Oh, maybe it's not with capital T. Maybe it's threading like that. So maybe that was like old Python. That's what I'm doing. Old Python. All right. Looks good there. And then we also have Q, right? Import Q, right? So that way you can do bidirectional communication between the threads. So you've got the main thread, and then you've got a queue, which is a mechanism that allows you to communicate between the threads. And so you'll have an inbound queue and an outbound queue. So let's define this queues. See, so here queues for inbound and outbound messages. You got it. And then we're gonna have an inbound queue and then an outbound queue. There we go. Perfect. All right, a little bit of autocomplete there. A little bit of autocomplete helping us out because we only have 27 minutes to go. You guys. All right, so we got a little bit of inbound queue, outbound queue. And then we need to define the actual function that's going to be doing the work in the background. So we'll call this occupancy. Then we're going to have the inbound queue and outbound queue as the two queue. So in queue and then the out queue. Out queue is going to be Q. It'll be Q.Q. There we go. Q.Q. Oh, not Q.quantify. Oh my God. That was funny. Here, Q.Q. There we go. Perfect. All right. And then we do pass. Looking good. How's it going, Joshua Nutt? Welcome on in. Happy to have you here. Happy Monday, you guys. See. So this will be used. And then what we need to do is I believe it is out q.put will be like a number, like 10, something like that. Actually, what we want to do, could we do random? Yeah, np.random. Rand. Is that rand in here? Where's our rand? Random.choice. All right, is there another random? Rand int. This is what we want. We want random int. Perfect. This is what we want. Random int will be like between 1 to 100. Perfect. Then we'll add networking second. All right, so we go to in-queue, out-queue. There goes the out-queue. The in-queue. Do we even need an in-queue? We don't. We're not pulling it. We only need an out-queue. What am I thinking? I'm thinking bidirectional communication. We don't need the. Well, I guess we'll leave it there. We'll leave it there for a while. I don't think we need it though. Do we even need ? There we go. All right. So this will be good. So then what we can do is we need to put this in a thread, in a background thread. So while true, let's do time. I want to add sleep in here. Import time. There we go. And then I want to do time dot. How do we do a sleep? Is it time dot sleep? I think it is time dot sleep. Does the redesigned game you have a spun track? What is that? Oh, soundtrack. It does, and it's someone else did it. Someone else like forked it, and then they made it better, and they made it way better. It's way better. All right, so just to let you guys see. So if you haven't seen this, like the new one, new redo. All right, so Python game. Here you go. Here's the new one. It's way better. You guys. Right. And you can walk around, and then the AI still learns. It's got different music. And everything. It's neat. It's still got like the getting close, and the AI like learns a little bit more. It's not quite. What do you call it? See, it's learning a bit, but the learning rate is much lower. It's much lower. It's great. It's great. Uh-oh. Wait, 1 second. 1 second, you guys. Albert. 1 second. Had to click a button there. Joshua Nutt said hi. Hey, how's it going? Welcome on in. Hey, Ashford. Happy Monday. Welcome on in. Good to see you. So here's this beautiful game that someone else, they redesigned it. They added graphics. In. It's pretty neat. Obviously, though, I'm pretty sure they used AI. I'm pretty sure they used AI. But it's great. It's great. It's simple. All right, I'm closing it. We're done. Okay. Make sure City of Dis is the final level. I think City of Dis is still in there. Let me see. Bygame.py. City. Is it in there? Wait, city / C. They took it out. They took it out. It's out. It's gone. So the AI they used to rewrite it, I'm pretty sure they used AI to do it. I'm like 98% sure that they did that. They took the original game and they modified it with AI. It's not there anymore. Is it even in our original? Here we go. / city / C. City of C. It's okay. So it's in comments, in code comments. There you go. The name of the game. Code comments. There you go. It's still in there. It's still in there, Joshua Nut. Right there. It's still in there. All right. So happy to have you guys here today. All right. So let's go to the next step. So we're doing threading. We're adding threading in. So while true, time.sleep. Perfect. And then we'll just pass that in there. Okay. So we don't need that. Perfect. All right. So this is our occupancy thread. What we're going to do is we're going to see how many other people are currently playing the game at this very moment. It doesn't matter if you're playing it on the desktop or mobile app. Hey, Will K 6T6X. What's up? How's it going? Welcome on in. Happy to have you here. We're doing threading. We're doing a little bit of threading in Python today. Just a smidgen of threading and see if I can remember how it works. We'll see. All right, so let's see if we can start it. Let's see. Start occupancy thread. Well, let's have the AI auto-complete it for us. All right, let's see here. Occupancy thread, thread.threading, target occupancy args in is going to be inbound queue, outbound queue, and then we close that off. Sounds fine. Nice. I always wanted to code. Hey, this is the channel for that. This is the channel for coding. Eddie Legendary. Hey, how's it going? Good to see you. Hope you get to stay for a little bit today. I do have 20 minutes, and then I have to go. I know it's always the 20-minute, but I really do. Well, 20 minutes and 15 seconds. There we go. 20 minutes and 15 seconds. Occupancy thread. I believe that should just start working. We don't have to do anything. And then in the game loop, all we have to do is check the outbound queue, and then the outbound queue. So let me double check that that's right. So in queue is going to be the first one. Yes, in queue, out queue. And then we check the outbound queue to see if it's empty. If it's not empty, then we pull the current stat. From it. Let's see. Hi, what are we making? Hey, Itachi, we're making, we're adding threading to our game to add some sort of multiplayer detection. It's not like full on multiplayer. It's just like presence detection to see how many users are currently online. So we're going to get the threading working first, and then we're going to add the networking layer. And we've got 20 minutes. Well, wait, about 21 minutes, or sorry, 19 minutes and 30 seconds here. Hello, Dale Phillip, sir. Hey, how's it going? Karmuk Gupta. Hey, welcome on in, Karmuk Gupta. Happy Monday. Happy to have you here. All right, let's see here. So where did I want to do? All right, so this is where I want to check here. Let's do check for occupancy. Check occupancy from the thread, and we do that by we grab the out queue, the outbound queue. Check it. So if out queue is empty, outbound underscore queue dot empty. I think it's called empty, right? If it's empty, then is not empty. Let's do is not empty. Then we want to set occupancy count. Perfect. There we go, occupancy count. And then we display it on the screen. Let's just print it though. Let's print occupancy count. And let's make sure it works. Hey, Steven, can I technically make some code that repeats my mouse movements using the dev tool in the Chrome? Yeah, you can. You absolutely can. Is it for a clicker idle game? You totally can. You absolutely can. I've done that before, and it's actually pretty straightforward. You can absolutely do that. You might not even need to, if it's in a browser, you can probably just use like a patch script to override. Bless you, sir. Hey, did you read that wrong? 20 minutes? Wait. I might have. Karma Gupta, I might have read it wrong. I might have. Python is a bad language. Hey, no, it's not. Python's a great language. It's amazing. It's easy to read, understandable. Also, it's the language for AI. So if you're using AI, you're very likely using Python. If there's also a data science language, right? It's a data science language. So it's also used for data science. It's a huge language, and it is up there in terms of the level of sort of ubiquity. And you need to learn Python as much as you need to learn JavaScript because of its ubiquity at this point. Because of its ubiquity, you guys. Cool. I have also tried Threads too to connect to versus code windows for chatting. Nice, Itachi. Nice. That's what we're doing. That's pretty close to what we're doing here. Pretty close. Okay, well, time to retry my code. That's a good way to do it. Retry your code. There you go. All right, so let's pop this back in here. So this should work now. Let's see. Python game. Let's see if this works here. Every second, it should be working. Is it working? It should be seeing a print. Oh, it seemed. Did we have to start it? Did we not start? I think we have to start it first. Occupancy thread dot start. Is there like a start? I'm not sure. Let's find out. Yes, it is. Okay, perfect. We did it. Excellent. All right, that's exactly what we're looking for. Nice. All right, we did it. We did threaded communication. See, isn't that easy? All right, we did that like in 5 minutes, you guys. We did that in 5 minutes. That was great. All right, so we could probably also add in the networking layer as well now. We could add in that there are way more people on the short live. You can ask them to come here. Yeah, we've got a horizontal live too. You got it. Python is a snake. It is. You're right. Karma Gupta. It is. Does it have a language too? It is. It is a language. And you're looking at it right now. This is it right here. You're looking at it. This is it right here on the screen. Is Quantum here? I think Quantum said Quantum left. Quantum might have left for a little bit. Quantum just left for a smidgen. Hey, so glad to have you guys here. Justin, hey, how's it going? Welcome on in, Justin CC, you guys. Justin CC is here. All right, let's add in. So we added our threading, so we're good to go. I did the out queue. So we probably don't even need the in queue. I think we should get rid of the n queue. Let's do it. Let's get rid of the n queue. Let's just do it. Just simplify right now because we're doing good. We're doing good here. Let's simplify it. All right. So we only need the out queue. Only the out queue, you guys. No need for n queue. Okay, how are you? We're doing good. Thank you for asking. I want to learn Cobra's language. Oh, is it like a step above Python? Is the Cobra? What are you building? We're adding in threading to our game so that way we can do some networking on a separate thread while the thread sleeps, right? So the thread sleeps or it's communicating over the network. We can continue to draw the frames of our game uninterrupted. That's what we're doing. We're adding so we need to do that here. So let me double check it still runs here. Let's go this real quick. There was an error in there. What was that? What happened here? Did we do it wrong? Oh, main Oxime thread must be in iterable, not in queue. What is this? Did I break it? Is it broken? Does it work? No, we broke it. Okay, we broke it. Good. Okay, we can fix it. Good. I love AI. Nice, me too. Justin CC, I love AI. It's great. The reason most people are on shorts is because there are no ads there. Yeah, right. There are no ads there. You're right. It's an ad-free zone, you guys. If you're on the shorts, if you're on the vertical stream, then you get no ads. No ads there. How long did it take you to learn Python? A little bit, maybe a few months. You can do it in a few months and you're good to go. Maybe even in a couple of weeks if you spent all your time on it a couple of weeks. Discoverability is way better too since you're just scrolling, isn't it, Torva? There you go. That's the reason. So glad to have you all here today. All right, so we got our thread. What did we do here? We got rid of some things. We broke it a smidgen. Oh, is it? Did we? So what did we do here? We got rid of. No, we want that, right? Oh, we have to do a comma. I'm pretty sure that's. Do we do a comma? Is that it? Is that all it was? Was a comma? Was it? It was. That's all it was. It was a comma. Isn't that ridiculous? It was a comma. Oh my God, you guys. Oh, that's so silly. And also, it's a weird syntax, right? So look at this. All right. So you have to look on the screen. I'm going to show you guys. Look at this silliness right here. Look at this. Look at this right here. Right here. This line right here. You see that line right there? You see it right there? The comma is what caused the issue right here. That comma. This weird little comma right there, which looks like it's a syntax error. But no, it's expected. It's expected, you guys. Isn't that ridiculous? What are you doing for Thanksgiving? Going over to Sam's house, including you, Steven. Yep, going over to Thanksgiving, over to Sam's house. What type of game is it? It's a game where the AI learns to chase you. You deserve TV show, bro. You're so good. Hey, Karma Koopa, thank you for saying. Well, maybe someday, you guys. We'll find out. Epilepsy warning. Yep, I know, right? Epilepsy warning. Right there. I know, right there. Right here, you guys, right here. Isn't that ridiculous? A comma is all it takes. Is all it takes to give you some problems. That's all it takes to give you just a few problems. All right, there we go. So we got our occupancy. Let's throw it up there on the screen. Let's add it on the screen. So where is our blitz at? Where's our blitz? Okay. Occupancy. Screen.blit. All right, render entity. All right, that's not where we want it. Let's see here. Oh, status. We can do that here. Let's do that here. Let's do occupancy. Occupancy. Let's see, online. Let's do online. Yeah, looks good. All right. Then we do game.occupancy. Perfect. And we need to define occupancy in GameStructor. We got to define occupancy real quick. We got to define it. Also, wait. Oh, thank you for the 100 jewels. Wait. Brigida. I just saw. Thank you for the 100 jewels. What are you doing over there? Thank you. Thank you so much for doing that. I appreciate it. That's a wonderful gesture. That's a wonderful gesture. Thank you. All right, we've got 12 minutes, you guys. Brigida Ray, thank you. Thank you so much. That was wonderful for you to do that. Gift you to high five on YouTube. Yeah, thank you. I just saw. It was thank you for saying it. Have you ever played Roblox? I've not, Justin CC. I played Minecraft though. Minecraft. I know they're not the same. They're definitely not the same thing. They're very different. I don't know if it shows the donations. It does. It does. So I see it, but it's like it looks like this. It's like this on my screen. So it's like it shows up just as a. It shows it's obvious when it happens. I just have to pay attention. You guys. I gotta pay attention. All right, so game. Where's the game at? Here we go. Okay, so let's do occupancy. All right, let's add an occupancy here, which is an int, or just an int. Perfect. Occupancy, and then where's game definition? Occupancy will be 0. Occupancy equals 0. Perfect. Tab. All right. Looking good. And then we're gonna render that. We're gonna render it on the screen. Oh, we did it already. We're done. All right. So that'll give us the occupancy. Who taught you coding, bro? Myself. I taught myself coding. I have a question. Can you make my own Pytorch game using only Pygame and threads? I think so. You should be able to. It's using SDL, which is a rendering thing. I don't know much about it. It works pretty much universally. So you could totally do that. You can totally do it. Itachi, absolutely. You absolutely can. All right, so let's go. So now we got in our occupancy. So that should show up. Is it going to run? Is it going to show up now? Is it going to run? I don't know. Oh, no, we didn't. It won't. It'll always be 0 because we didn't do it right yet. We didn't do it right. Okay. It'll always be 0. So currently set to 0. 10 minutes to go, you guys. Do you think we can do it in 10 minutes? All right, maybe. We'll find out. We'll find out if we can do it in 10 minutes. All right. Occupancy. Where's that at? Right around here. Target. Game.occupancy. Right. I want the print. Where's the print? Occupancy count. All right. So game.occupancy. Excellent. That's what I'm looking for. Here we go. Let's grab that. And then put it here so it continues to print. Actually, we don't even need to do that anymore. Let's just get rid of it because we're good to go now. We're good to go. We don't need to print any debug statements anymore. Let's see. Perfect. It's working. So now all I have to do is add networking. So you see right here, you see it says occupancy online players, 91, 63, 58. What's your age when you started? Like 10, 11-ish. I have a question. Itachi's got a question. Wait, you already asked. You already talked about that. Sorry about that, Itachi. I reread your question. 10 plus 10, so 20 minutes. LO. Right? I know, Eddie Legendary. I know it's always 20 minutes away. The game looks like Bangergolsh's map. Because of the colors? Yeah, 20 minutes. It's got 9 minutes. I really do have to get going. I really do. I've got a meeting that's coming up. And for real, and I can't wait. I cannot wait. All right, let's see if we can add the networking. All right, so I need to import requests. Import requests. There we go. Let's import requests. And then we need to make a request here to connect in. Where do we want to do this? All right, so I need to do a quick lookup. So I'm going to use my technology here really quick, you guys. PubNub REST API. There we go. So I'm going to do a REST API. I'm going to grab the subscribe here. We're going to subscribe. And then we're just going to copy this. We're going to copy this right here. Copy. And we're going to paste it in over here. The URL is going to be this. Perfect. Got the URL. Good to go. https://ps.pn.pndsn.com. There we go. We have our morning coffee before work. Steven is warming up his brain with coding for the day. You got it. You got it, Melodrama. You got it. After the stream, might hop on FL Studio and make a proper soundtrack for the game real quick. That would be great, Torva. That would be amazing. Let's do it. Let's do it. I think that would be sweet. What is your hidden talent, bro? I like to code, and I like artificial intelligence. I like software engineering, pndsn.com. There we go. That looks better. Subscribe. There we go. Let's see. We'll do demo. You know, my Alexa, my Echo just started playing music. It just started playing music all on its own just now. Why is it doing that? We'll call this, we'll call it, what is it? AI game. All right, let's call it AI game. This will be 0. We don't need that right now. 0. And then this will be TT. Perfect. All right, perfect. TT equals 0. All right, URL, TT. Perfect. Perfect. Hold on. My Echo device is going crazy. Your Echo suggests music for your game? I know. It's playing show tunes. I don't think that's going to be your go. Oh, it's playing the Weather Girls. It's playing the Weather Girls. It's Raining Men. That's what it's playing. It's Raining Men from the Weather Girls. I stopped it. What is the link for this? The link for the game? It is on our Discord, you guys. It's on our Discord. So the new one is here on the free. So here's the new one, and then the other one is up here at the top. So this is the original one. The original one is here, and then the other one is the new one that someone came out with a whole bunch of new pretty graphics. Hallelujah! I know, right? Do you have a girlfriend, bro? Can coding get you girls? No, I mean I don't think. I mean technically, I don't know though. I don't know if that could happen. It seems like it should be able to, right? Requests.get URL, and then we need this to be an F string. There we go. We're an F string, and we also should put this in the for loop here. We should put in a for loop. You got to get going for the meeting. I know, right? I know. There's no time left. There's no time. We're running out of time here. URL. I think that's it. So resp equals. I think we can do this. Let's just print this. Let's print this out. Print resp dot text dot JSON. Can we do that? I think we can. We can print resp.json. We should do try accept pass. We'll just do pass. Pass. There we go. All right. Well, actually, you know what? We got to do it in there. And then body equals. We'll do this. So I like this better. We got to get going, you guys. We're low on time. We're very low on time here. All right. Body. All right. Almost good. Good. Sounds good. Looks good. Okay. And then I want to print that. All right. So we need to say, so a game comma AI dash game underscore pn pres. I think is that no, it's dash pn pres. There we go. You just get it right there. No, we still have 20 minutes. Don't worry. I know, right? If you manage to get any money through the coding, then yes. Yep. There you go. Yep. You got it. If you get any money through coding, then it will work. What happened to just coding for the love of coding? That's what we're doing. That's what we're doing right now. All right. 4 minutes to go. 4 minutes. And I got to get going, you guys. 4 minutes. It would have been so much better if I got to hang out with you. There's so many people here. Can we get it though? Can we get it in time? URL print. All right. So let's just run this to see if it runs here. Python game. All right. We should be seeing something show up here. Oh wait. Good. Okay. Good. Excellent. I'm seeing results here. Let's see here. It should. Oh, so right. Okay. Question mark UUID equals, and then it needs to be a random UUID equals, and it needs to be a random number. So it'll be user dash random string. Perfect. All right, that's what we got. We're good to go. UUID equals UUID. All right. Excellent. Let's make sure that we're getting status here. Let's see if it shows up. Oh, something broke. I did it wrong. Okay, that's it. That's we can fix it. All right. There we go. 3 minutes. Yeah, 3 minutes. Can we make it work? It's showing up. It's showing up there. Do we get any stats? We should have seen something. I mean, it's showing the right results. So we're not getting any errors. It's just not showing what I was hoping it for. All right, let's go. Let's do every time. It should be a new UUID. So we should be seeing Is it AI-game, AI-game P and Prez? That should do it. That should do it. I'm pretty sure. Let's go here. Let's see here. I should. Why is that? Maybe it's not enabled. It could be that it's just not enabled. So I'd have to go out and figure this out later. So we got pretty far. We got the network. We got the network going. We got the threading, and we got it printing on the screen. So we're doing pretty good. 17 plus 3. I know, right? 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left, you guys. I swear the time seems like it's going epically slow. Or Steven is moving 100,000 miles per hour. I know. We could be doing that. 100,000 miles per hour. Lab equipment with the mad scientist streaming. The jam. You got it. All right, so let's see here. Where's that? That blah, blah, blah. Hey, UniqueX. Kyle. Hey, Kyle, how's it going? We tried your game. What do you think of the fork swap? We did it. It was good. All right, so since we only have 1 minute left, and I can't figure out why we're not seeing presence data here, it's probably because we didn't enable it, and I got to go enable it. You know what? Let's see if I can do that really quick. Let's see if I can do it. You guys, it was great. So let's see here. And then demo. And it's going to search there for a smidgen. Let's close that out here. Let's close that here. All right, close. All right, so we did it. So Python, Kyle, it was great. It was great. So here's the new one. Oh wait, ls. This is the wrong directory. What happened here? What did we break it? What happened here? That's the wrong directory. So here, game, Python game. Here we go. Python game.py. Here it is. It was great, you guys. Killer Clips. Hey, Killer Clips, welcome on in. It was good. It removed the mouse, though. I wanted the mouse. I wanted to still have the mouse action, but it uses the keyboard instead. All right, 30 seconds to go, you guys. I got 30 seconds. I know. We got to go. It was neat. It was really neat. I enjoyed it. It was great, Kyle. Kyle, it was awesome. Thank you for doing that. That was great. That's a lot of excellent inspiration. A lot of good inspiration. All right, so we hit the end. You guys. We hit the end. Thank you for joining today. We got to get going though. We'll be back tomorrow and we'll finish out the networking and the occupancy and a couple of things. I know 20 minutes. Don't worry. We actually do got the tempo is high. It was great. Nice. Thank you, everyone. We have to get going. We hit our time limit. We're jumping out for a meeting. It was good to hang out with you. Take care of everyone. We'll be back tomorrow. For more coding, you guys. More coding. We'll do some more coding tomorrow. Good day and good night. Sounds good. All right. See you guys. Have a good one. Have a good Thanksgiving. Have a good Thanksgiving, everyone.